Cleanmo Cleanroom Wipes Step-by-Step Guide. First, select your product. Choose one of Cleanmo's dry wipers. If you are using a cleaning solution, choose the correct wipes that will be best for the liquid you will use. The second step is the recommended wiper folding technique. Fold the wiper in half and fold it in half again to create a 1/4 folded wiper. Step 3 is to spray the wiper. Spray the wiper according to your standard operating procedure, or skip this step if a pre-wetted wiper is used. Evenly sprinkle the wiper by holding the nozzle at a distance not to create overspray and minimize overspraying into the air or surrounding surfaces. The wiper should have a certain level of dampness to leave a thin, visible layer of solution on the surface or spray the surface directly for broader coverage. Step 4. The wiping technique should consist of unidirectional, parallel, overlapping strokes. Each stroke should overlap the previous stroke by 20% for even coverage. Always wipe from the cleanest to the dirtiest area, starting furthest away from you, typically the cleanest area, and moving towards you. Consistently wide in one direction, do not mix directions, and refold the wiper after 40 to 50 inches of stroke length. After each refolding, start a new stroke. Refolding is a way to use the wipes more efficiently. Another technique is to wipe from back to front towards you with the same strokes. Always wipe from the cleanest to the dirtiest area. Again, the strokes should progress across the work surface in one direction. Next, start a new stroke with a refolded wiper. Let us review. Select the product, polyester, microfiber, or nonwoven wiper. 2. Use the recommended folding technique. Folding the wiper allows the use of several sides, increasing its efficiency. 3rd, spray the wiper or surface according to the proper wetness level. If a pre-wetted wiper is used, skip the step. 4th, the wiping technique uses unidirectional parallel, overlapping strokes for even coverage and always wipes from the cleanest to the dirtiest area. Thank you for your time and attention. Manual cleaning is the most efficient and effective way to clean all our surfaces. For more details, please visit our website.